Michael, whether you're planning to go outside today just for a little walk or if you're attending the FIFA World Cup games, we know that heat is going to play a major part in today.
Definitely. It's going to play a major part in today, and definitely for this weekend. We have World Cup events going on today, as well as for this weekend, and temperatures get even hotter after we get past our Thursday. Let's start your morning with a look outside. It's a little bit of a gloomy start. We're seeing a lot of clouds outside, but one good thing about this morning, it doesn't feel quite as humid as it has over the last couple of days. By this afternoon, though, it's still another hot day. Temperatures rise up into the middle 90s, and then we'll get closer to reaching the actual 100-degree mark by Saturday, and then I think we'll get there by Sunday or Monday at the latest, as a ridge of high pressure will continue to strengthen, and we will see our winds strengthen as we move ahead over the next couple of days as well. Check this out. Winds gusting up to 25, maybe as much as 30 miles per hour for today, and then from Friday into this weekend, we'll see some winds gusting up to 30 to 40 miles per hour at times due to a tightening pressure gradient, and I'll explain what that means here in a second. So when you step outside this morning, what you will notice, though, is a nice little break in the humidity compared to what we have been seeing. I mean, yes, it's still humid, but it's better than what it has been. We're waking up into the 70s right now, 77 in Denton, 77 in Fort Worth, 78 in Dallas, lower 70s out to our south in Waxahachie. The reason for the lower humidity, our dew points are into the upper 60s to the 70-degree mark. When you see these numbers behind me in the upper 70s to the 80-degree mark to start your day, that's when it feels really soupy and unpleasant. Because we're into the upper 60s and lower 70s this morning in terms of our dew points, it feels better outside. So we'll take the little victory that we're going to get because we're going to see temperatures really heat up as we move ahead into this weekend. Highs today, 96 in Dallas, 96 in Fort Worth, 99 in Breckenridge. We'll see temperatures into about those lower to middle 90s out to our south. And then as we move over the next couple of days, we will see the strengthening ridge of high pressure continue to build, and then we'll be stuck in the 100-degree mark for definitely a couple of days into the second half of the weekend into the next week. All right, I mentioned that tight pressure gradient. Let's explain what it is. You have low pressure up to the northwest, high pressure right across the DFW area. So we continue to see, again, these two systems in between them. You have a tight pressure gradient because there's a change in pressure in between the two. And because they're close together, you have opposite wind speeds as well. It increases the winds across our area. And that's why we're seeing those stronger wind gusts into this weekend. As we move into the second half of the weekend into next week, the ridge of high pressure continues to dominate. I mean, most of the United States will see some dangerous heat. And overall, we will see dangerous heat even to our area with temperatures reaching the triple digits. So here we go. 96 today, 97 for Friday. Feels like 100 today, feels like 103 tomorrow. And then it feels like 107 by Sunday. Your first alert 7-day forecast. I told you it was going to get hot, and I wasn't lying. 100 by Sunday. That'll be our first 100-degree day of the year. 100 again on Monday. 101 by next Tuesday and Wednesday.